How to block a number on Android. This tutorial shows you how to prevent unwanted calls and messages by blocking a contact on your Android device. First, open the Phone application on your Android device. Next, go to your Recent Calls or Call History tab. Following that, find the number you want to block from the list. Now, long press on that number to see additional options. Moving forward, tap on Block or Block Number from the menu. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm. Tap on Block to confirm, and the number is now blocked. Afterwards, that number will no longer be able to call or message you. Alternatively, you can also block a number from your Contacts app. Open the Contacts application on your device. Find and tap on the contact you want to block. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Block from the menu options. Tap on Block again to confirm. The contact is now blocked, and all calls and messages from this number will be stopped. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you blocking a number on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.